Need a reliable all-in-one sewing kit for quick fixes at home or on the go? The JUNING portable sewing kit has everything you need. Whether you're repairing a loose button, fixing a seam, or working on a DIY project, this compact set has got you covered. Inside you'll find high-quality needles, colorful threads, scissors, buttons, a seam ripper, a threader tool, and more. All neatly secured with elastic straps, so nothing gets lost in your bag or drawer. Its lightweight and portable design makes it the perfect travel companion. Whether you're on vacation, at work, or simply keeping it handy at home, it's so easy and fun to use. Perfect for beginners, crafters, and even kids learning to sew. You can mend clothes, fix your pet's favorite outfit, or patch up a stuffed toy in just minutes. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is a great choice for moms, grandmas, friends, or anyone who loves DIY projects. Stay prepared for any sewing emergency with the JUNING sewing kit. Click the link in the description to get yours now. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more handy finds.